Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 7 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., an area of strong thunderstorms with frequent lightning was located over the open waters north of Evanston. In addition, a front north of Montrose Harbor was moving south at 20 knots. The buoy near Wilmette reported a wind gust to 33 knots with this front. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, buoy reported and radar estimated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina and Jackson Park Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms and with the front. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.